5 insanely useful AI tools every student and researcher must try in 2025. The third and the last tool are although not much talked about but yet very useful. So do not skip this video. If you want to ask a scientific question or search papers relevant to your topic for literature review, writing discussion, a review paper or a thesis, then this tool can immensely help you. Using consensus, you can ask any question or look for literature on any topic and get science-backed answers in no time. You can simply ask a yes or no question and the consensus meter will provide percentage of studies in support or against the claim. This is followed by key findings and a summary based on relevant literature. As you scroll down, you will find a list of all the papers relevant to the question you have asked. And similarly, you can search for literature on any topic of your interest. It will generate a synthesized summary followed by a list of all the relevant scientific papers along with one-sentence summaries. You can open the paper to get a quick study snapshot. What are the key takeaways, study type, and major outcomes? You will also find a link to the official site of the research paper. The SJR rating tells how influential the paper is. Consensus has lots of other features which I have covered in this detailed video. The next tool is Connected Papers. This tool will help you find related papers in the form of visual graphs just by providing the title or the DOI of one of the papers of your interest. This way you do not miss out any important paper that you should refer. You can also view the related papers in a tabular format along with the year of publication, citations, and similarity to the original paper. The list of references can also be downloaded and used in any reference management software like Zotero or Mendeley. Whether you are a student or a researcher, presentations are crucial to showcase your work and capabilities. But if you are the one who do not want your audience to fall asleep in the middle, then this AI tool can help you make next level presentations and animated videos. Using Dora Tune, you can easily create high quality engaging presentations and videos within a matter of minutes without much knowledge of editing. You can choose from hundreds of template styles under various categories to begin creating presentation that suits your needs. Just by hovering the pointing over the style, it will show the glimpse of the animation of that template. Depending upon the type of content, you can choose from a library of different characters and actions they perform to make the presentation more lively for your audience. At the bottom of the slides, you will find the timeline. You can easily adjust the objects, text, and characters to match the sequence and voice or audio. You can also add props through the existing library and search by category or by the text. Then there is a music library which can be used to add relevant background music to your presentation and videos for making it more impactful. You can modify the text, choose from several interesting font styles, alter the transparency or add shadowing effect to it. You can also choose a specific animation for the text. Once you are done with the slides, you can export or publish as a video or PPT. You should definitely try this tool at least once. Using the next useful AI tool, you can easily write essays and research articles on any topic of your interest. The name of the tool is Jenni. Let's ask the Jenni to write an essay on impact of mindfulness on overall health along with suitable headings. In no time, it has created an outline for us. You can use its various commands such as continue writing to automatically write an entire paragraph, or you can use make longer command to elaborate any text. You can select a specific text and look for the related papers that can be cited. This way you can avoid plagiarism. Along with the in-text citation, it will also add full reference at the end. There are several other features like simplify the text, paraphrase it, translate it to other language, summarize the text that is being explained in my detailed tutorial linked in the description below. The last tool in today's list is Trinka. Using Trinka, you can easily find journals suitable to publish your research article. You just have to provide the abstract of the manuscript you wish to publish and it will provide a list of all the journals along with the important matrices like impact factor that you can target for submitting your paper. I hope you find this information useful. Do mention in the comment if you know any other useful AI tool that should be covered. Do check out my playlist on AI tools to make your academic and research journey a lot easier. If you want to get notified about my latest uploads, do not forget to hit that subscribe and bell button. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.